we're back. Just one time. Now we're gonna get this. Just a little, really just a bit. Now I'm gonna get this. Wait a minute. I'm just gonna keep it a little bit. Feels good enough. Yep, I'm sure this is not at all turning to be good enough at all. I might need to get to play mixed up a little bit. They're not gonna turn any good as expected. And they're too to be a little bit good, at least a little. And make this little roundy shape. Stick this on, and just a little more white. I don't want this to be too bad. Now, this cat is almost done. Now I'm just gonna close this down. Now we're gonna flatten this down. Now I just I'm just going to be anyway, now we're gonna get some neon ones. Neon little color. Just a bit neon yellow. This neon is super duper. So I don't need that anymore. I'm not gonna need this. Next, what I'm gonna need is only to what I'm gonna need this dough. I'm going to have a bit just to make this in a triangular shape. There. Now I'm going to just have some of this neon dough for the ears, and I know this is too hard, and I still don't like that it's hard, but still we gotta work with it a little gently so that we can not get bad results. This thing is not too bad. Whenever they do say it's not bad, it's pretty good to know that it's not bad. So what I'm going to be doing here, I'm just going to make this and put it on inside here. I'm just going to make sure that I do have a hole. I know this is not good at all, but I can only do that. This is for kids only. This is just a simple cat. This is not gonna turn as pretty as they expected. That is why. This is just one for beginners. Sure, that's gonna be resistant. Oopsies. I think I accidentally got the nose off. Okay, we're almost there. Next, I'm gonna need a little bit of white again. Just a bit. Now I'm going to get at least one tiniest one. Just gotta put this in. Now, you know what to do. next video. Now I just need this toothpick thing to slowly create like a smile throughout. Wait a minute, I think this is not gonna work. Just gonna get the scissors, slowly just poke my way into it. There. And now I'm just gonna take just a bit of neon. And then I'm gonna triangle this into a piece like. Now I'm just gonna take my little sissy. Now I'm just gonna get adults help for this. What do? You slowly get something like this. I know I can put whiskers. You're little kids. You need. This is also a tutorial for adults to learn so that they can also learn this. Now I'm just needed to slowly cut this apart. Yep. Slowly threading these. And the same thing on the other side. If you don't want to get an adult's help, you have to get ready to get a wound. Because this is a little hard bit. Now you'll use your claws to do that. There we go. So our little clay kitty is done. Meow. Oopsies. I don't want your ear to fall down. Bye, little kitty. Say hello. Bye, everyone. See you in the next clay model. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe if this video was useful for you. Bye.